Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabudingo Foodies. Today we are making walnut pistachio chocolate balls. They are a nice balance of healthy and indulgent. Made with walnuts, pistachio, coconut and dates, these energy balls are coated with dark chocolate. They are easy to make and perfect to satisfy those sweet cravings. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to like, share and subscribe and let's get started.
Into a food processor or blender, add 1/4 cup chopped walnuts, 1/4 cup pistachios, 1/4 cup desiccated coconut, 1/3 cup tightly packed chopped dates, and some lemon zest. Blend until everything is well combined. Transfer the mixture to a bowl. Take a small portion and shape it into a ball. Repeat with the remaining mixture. Keep them aside while we prepare the melted chocolate. Place a saucepan with about 1 cup of water on low to medium heat. Place a heat-proof bowl on top of it. Add 50 grams of chopped dark chocolate. I'm using 80% dark. If that feels too bitter for you, 70 to 75% works great too. Stir gently until the chocolate is completely melted. Then turn off the heat and let it cool slightly. Now dip each ball into the melted chocolate, making sure it's evenly coated. Transfer to a tray lined with parchment paper and repeat with the remaining balls. Sprinkle some chopped walnuts and pistachios on top. Keep them in the fridge to chill for an hour or till the chocolate is fully set. These nutty chocolatey balls are one of those quick and easy no-bake recipes for when you want something indulgent without feeling heavy. Simple ingredients, minimal effort and super satisfying.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you want to try a dessert with a healthy twist, do give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.